Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm going to be doing a bold transformation. It can also be a bold summer transformation from natural everyday makeup to bold neon eye makeup. And I'm so excited to get started. I have some really awesome products here and let's go. Oh, there's a little hummingbird. So the palettes that we're using today are the Charlotte Tilbury, the Beautyverse palette, and the REM Beauty Wicked palette. And the reason why is because there are two really pretty, bright, colorful shades in each of these palettes. But first we're going to be priming the eyes with the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. And I already did my brows because that takes a little bit of time. Can that hummingbird just calm down, please? You're distracting me. I mean, you're cute, but like, thank you. So to start off with the eye look, I'm going in with this pink shade in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with more shimmery shades after that and brighter neon shades. Then I'm going in with this really pretty pink sparkly shade, kind of neon, but very bright. I'm kind of just like smoking it out a little bit to my outer portion of the eye. I think, actually I didn't prime my lower lash line, so I'll go in with my face now. I'm gonna do that first. So everything is primed and pray for no fallout. So I'm going in with my Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Lotion. I use this day and night. So I'm putting this on first, and then I'm going in with my, actually this is drying, so hold on. This is drying up. Now I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. It's so pretty, look at it. And also these were my birthday nails, and I'm wearing it for a long time until it grows out. And now for sunscreen, which is super important for the summer. It's just annoying when you have makeup on, you can't reapply, but that means you gotta really put on a lot. Okay, good. Now for the not full coverage, but very dewy and lightweight Kogan Dough Aqua foundation, and this is a very glowy foundation. I like it because it's not full coverage and the concealer will make up for that. Now for concealer, I'm going in with the same exact concealer I used to prime my eyes and just putting it on my T-zone. Now I'm going to set that with my Prada translucent powder. And set my neck too. I'm actually not going to do my whole face with setting it because then when I do my bronzer, there is friction with the powder. And I learned that the hard way. Now, time for the Wicked palette. I'm taking this green shade and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going back in with my brows because for some reason, I guess the product moved. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to the front. Yeah. When I put on the foundation, I think that's what happened. I'm actually now going to apply some mascara and then, or no, I'm going in with my bronzer first. My Makeup by Mario contour stick. I guess it's hummingbird season. I definitely have to blend that. So I am going to be putting mascara only on my lower lashes, and I'm going to put my individual lashes on because I don't want the strip lashes. It kind of bothers me a little bit. And this is by Essence. It's the Lash Princess Curl Mascara. Why won't this open? I also like to use my fingers for this, just a little bit more precise than using tweezers. I feel like it gets a little bit more messy. Wait for it to get a little bit dry, tacky. And then put it very close to my lash line, but slightly on top so the glue isn't touching it. It's good? Yeah. Now the next eye. Yeah, I finally got on. And now for some blush, I'm using the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. Now I'm going to set that so the liquid doesn't budge wherever it went. What in the world? Going in with my by Mario Mellow Mauve Soft Pop Powder. That is a long name. Oh my god. Now this makes the pink this makes the pink eye. This makes the pink eye pop a little bit more. And second to last is the highlighter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is Hollywood Flawless Filter. And now last, well not last, but second to last, I'm going in with this highlighter and I'm putting it in my inner corner and under my brow. And now last, I'm going in with my YSL oh wait a second, oh my goodness, I'm stupid. This is a liquid blush, not a lipstick. Okay. I'm going in now with my Lancome Juicy Tubes lip gloss because the eyes are kind of neon and bold, so I'm going to go a little more gentle. It smells good but tastes bad. Oh, I'm taking that off. Okay, I fixed it. It's not anywhere near my inner mouth. But I'm going in with my artist pencil and just going to line a little bit. And that is it. Those are all the products. I'm now going to set it with my One Size Beauty waterproof setting spray. This is amazing. I got it as a gift and oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. Let's see. Got it in my throat. It is mattifying waterproof setting spray and it is light as air, non-sticky, transfer proof. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from face. And that's what I did, I think, but it does smell good. Got in my throat, but wow, I like this stuff. On till dawn. I like this. So that is it for this bold transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, fANNE-atics.